Mazimba zvese tadzoka nechika mchinyowane nhasi tinechirova Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered yakabuda 2016 but payakabuda ndombotamba nhasi nangu kuitamba saka ndangotirega ndivhizitire nhasi saka tichatanga kutanga new game asi ndatanga resume game but asi ndatanga kutamba saka tichatanga kutamba tese new game kutanga nhasi saka musazokanganwa kushare kulike nekukomenda kuti ndizoramba ndigadzira mamwe mavideo akadai.
Good news first, the world's in great shape. We've got a civil war in Russia, government loyalists against ultra-nationalist rebels, and 15,000 nukes at stake.
Just another day at the office.
Khaled al-Assad, currently the second most powerful man in the Middle East. Now word on the street is he's got the minerals to be top dog down there. Intel's keeping an eye on him.
And the bad news?
We've got a new guy joining us today, fresh out of selection. His name's Soap.
Good to see you, mate. Take one of the rifles from the table. Go to station 1 and aim your rifle down range.
Station 1 is good.
Lovely. Now, shoot at the targets while firing from the hip.
Firing from the hip.
Now aim your rifle down range. Now, shoot each target while aiming down the sights. Now I'm going to block the targets with a sheet of plywood. Bullets will penetrate thin, weak materials like wood, plaster and sheet metal. I want you to shoot the targets through the wood. Good. Now I'm going to make the targets pop up one at a time. Hit all of them as fast as you can. Proper good job, mate. Good. Now switch to your rifle. Now pull out your sidearm. Remember, switching to your pistol is always faster than reloading. Using your knife is even faster than switching to your pistol. Knife to watermelon. Nice. Your fruit killing skills are remarkable. Captain Price wants to see you.
Zimba kuna matenga akadai kuti matenga takudhara tona tingocha nembe ndikuri kwatikuita
It's the FNG, sir. Go easy on him, sir. It's his first day in the regiment.
Right. What the hell kind of name is Soap, eh? How'd a muppet like you pass selection? Soap, it's your turn for the CQB test. Everyone else head to observation. For this test, you'll have to run the cargo ship solo in less than 60 seconds. Gaz holds the current squadron record at 19 seconds. Good luck. Climb the ladder over there.
ladder. Mana ladder? Dzungaira kunonetsa.
Pick up that MP5 and 4 flashbangs. On my go, I want you to rope down to the deck and rush to position 1. After that, you will storm down the stairs to position 2. Then hit position 3 and 4, following my precise instructions at each position. Grab the rope when you're ready. Go, go, go!
And yeah, man.
Hit the targets! Position 2, go! Hit the targets! Flashbang through the door! Position 4! Hit the target!
And Position
5, go! Hit the targets! 6, go! Flashbang through the door! Hit the targets! Final position, go!
Ndikupi kwandikuenda?
Sprint to the finish. Pretty good, Soap, but I've seen better. Climb up the ladder if you want another go. Otherwise, come over to the monitors for a debrief.
Oh, munhu beta akarova 15 seconds. Ndarova 45.
Gentlemen, the cargo ship mission is a go. Get yourselves sorted out. Wheels up at 0200. Dismissed.
Takukanwa kuondoa kumana. Zvandakamirira. Tochuza ipa. For the sake of this video, torwa regular. Okay, torwa regular. Just for the sake of this video. Otherwise that end I'm going to let off it. Trima vets.
Bravo team. The intel on this op comes from our informant in Russia. The package is aboard a medium freighter, Estonian registration number 52775. There is a small crew and a security detail on board.
Rules of engagement, sir.
Crew expendable.
Baseplate, this is Hammer 2-4. We have visual on the target. ETA 60 seconds. Copy, 2-4.
60 seconds.
30 seconds, going dark. 10 seconds. Radio check. Go to secure channel.
Lock and load.
Green light. Go, go, go.
Ndatoona kuti vanokujambira muhondo. Ngavati safety pin.
Weapons free.
Bridge secure.
Hold your fire. Guys, stay at the bird till we secure the deck. Over.
Roger that.
Squad, on me.
Kunivharidzira nsikwanisa kupinda.
Last call. Hallway, clear.
Find out.
Streams. Crew quarters clear. Move up.
Forward deck is clear. Green light on Alpha. Go. Ready, sir.
Van out. 3 meter spread. Got 2 on the platform. I see them.
Find out.
Weapons free.
Roger that.
Weapons free.
Target neutralized.
Tango down.
We've got company. Hammer 2-4, we've got tangos on the second floor.
Copy. Engaging. Bravo 6, Hammer's at bingo fuel. We're bugging out. Big Bird will be on station for evac in 10.
Copy, Hammer. All cross, Griffin, cover our 6. The rest of you, on me.
Roger that.
I like to keep this for close encounters.
Too right, mate.
On my mark, go. Check those corners. Check those corners.
Clear right. Clear left.
Hallway, clear. Move up.
Clear
Ndiko
right.
kwatinoenda kumusoro una.
Clear.
Movement right.
Nasara
Tango down.
mbukaona chama.
Check those corners. Move up. Stand by. On my go.
Stand by.
Tunovharidzira.
Catwalk clear. Got you covered. Move up.
Squad on me.
No tangos inside.
Forward area clear. Move up. Keep it tight. Guys, right side. I'm on it.
Ha, Diego, I love this pistol. There's an ego.
Stack up.
Ready, sir.
Go.
Clear left.
Tunovharidzira mantu anori.
Move.
Movement right.
Zvinopotsa.
Move up.
kakundipusha asi kwanisa kubva ndiri stuck. Regariseni nazvo.
Forward area clear.
Move.
Chipfuri chashire chine riko yakanyanyisa.
Clear left.
Stack up. Stand by. On my go.
One ready. Two ready.
Tikatore zvedu makalashnikov.
On my mark. Go.
Pfuri dzedu dzemazimba dzarajaira kama AK-47 ndopfuri yega yavanayo.
Tango down.
Report. All clear? Roger that.
I'm getting a strong reading, sir.
Rikatore macro uzi. Iripiwa macro. And
You might want to take a look at this.
It's in Arabic. Baseplate, this is Bravo 6. We've found it. Ready to secure package for transport.
No time, Bravo 6. Two bogies headed your way fast. Grab what you can and get the hell out of there. Fast movers. Probably mixed. We better go.
So, grab the manifest in the container. Move! Alright, everyone topside. Double time. Warcraft, Griffin, what's your status?
Already in the helicopter, sir. Enemy aircraft inbound. Shit!
Bravo 6, come in. Bravo 6, what's your status?
Shit! What the hell happened? The ship's sinking! We've got to go! Now!
6, come in, damn it.
This is Bravo 6. We're on our way out. On your feet, soldier. We are leaving. Get to the catwalk. Move, move, move.
Move your asses. Come on, let's go.
ande varume.
Back on your feet. Let's go.
Watch your head. Go, go. Keep moving. It's breaking away.
Come on, come on.
Kuchichi kuitika. I went the wrong way. Chirudzi.
Get to the catwalk.
Vamuzonyepa, man.
Move, move.
Move your asses. Come on, let's go.
Ikuramba chingondipusha ndakasvika paposition baba. Ikunipushira pasi. Maybe ndikufana kupfugama. Ikuramba chindipusha ndasvika apa chichipitika. Asi muzisi chichipitika, I think pane glitch. Oh, ndajamba.
Where the hell are you?
Stand by! We're almost
Which way? Which way to the helicopter?
there! To the right! To the right!
We're running out of time. Come on, let's go.
Ah, tabuda.
Keep moving!
Where the hell?
Naye akachiramba chingondipusha panzvimbo 1 pai. Vanorijairira mhano ana. Vanda kurohwa.
We're all aboard! Go!
Roger that. We're out of here. Baseplate, this is Big Bird. Package secured. Returning to base. Out.
Ah, tapedza mission redu. Takuchipia ma-introduction. Yeah. Trupia mission ripi zvino manje. Takamirira kuona what's next.
Cars inbound. Continue tracking.
Ngavatikande muhondo, tokura hondo kudara. Kune zvakusava chitiratidze zvese. Nai. Rorijairira vana. Kwechiko chakuitika kuti. Tatora kuMiddle East kudara. Vakarova detail racho. Ona mota macho. Vakarova. Ona tichu tomuda utsi. Vakagona kudesign. Kupfura vanhu vasina pfuti chawana. Wana chama kunamurwa chama asina kana pfuti. Mwana. muri kuona zvandiri kuona kandi ndega ndiri kuzviona. Kwatisvike kwatiri kuenda kwacho kwakaita sei usingasviki. Ha, ndikufana pangatisvike nekwatiri kuenda nerunete nekumirira. At least. Aha, makwekwe asikuwa njombo kumeso, kuisikuwa njombo kumeso. Blazo kanyangara. Yeah, what a door execution. Ngapa kaiba?
هكذا.
Yey, ngama kwebe. Mawani je.
Captain Price, Al-Assad just executed President Al-Falani on national television.
The Americans have plans for Al-Assad, and it's too late to do anything for Al-Falani. But in less than 3 hours, codename Nikolai will be executed.
Nikolai, sir?
Nikolai is our informant in the ultra-nationalist camp. He supplied the intel on the cargo ship operation. Nikolai's in hell right now. We're gonna walk him out. We take care of our friends. Let's move.
President.
The loyalists are expecting us all to
MA.
move out.
Is it M4A1?
Loyalists, eh?
Yeah, I think the M4A1 the other people now.
Well, they won't shoot
You
us
got
inside,
and you.
that's what-
Aha, you got put it.
That's good enough for me.
There should be a few more guard posts up ahead. Camera off, these men will be waiting for us at the port of the northwest.
And they turn. What's a sniper foot? Haha. Look where you go. We're gonna test the theory. That was Samura.
Enemy down.
Row.
You smell that?
Yeah, camera off.
Ona blazi. Hapana chonomboona shamwari. Hapana makazara masoja.
What's the target, Kamarov? We've got an informant.
Amamemba chibudikira mumahuswa.
The rockets have killed hundreds of civilians in the valley below.
The rockets.
Not so fast. Remember Beirut? You're with us.
I guess I owe you one.
Bloody right you do.
Ваня, приближайся. Приготовься к атаке.
Шайза.
Сигнала. This way. There's a good spot where your sniper can cover my men.
Oh, so I'm supposed to be the sniper now. Weapons free or not?
Enemy infantry to the northwest.
I think it's
Don't take
weapons
out the
free.
machine guns in the window so Kamarov's men can storm the building.
Look portable.
You didn't say there'd be helicopters, Kamarov.
Didn't say that you don't need any either. We need to protect my men from those helicopter troops. This way.
Enemy troops to the north.
Make it quick, Kamarov. I want that informant.
You have nothing to worry about. We'll take out the M21s and carve a path straight to your informant.
Нарomna si.
Over here.
Какой статус?
Oh, put it M4 in a grenade launcher.
We should just be out.
Kana mbiza chimwe antacho chinosa chibomba pasa. Choti gubum, choti boom.
So we've got
Each put it chiri pasi. Choti brr. Isho. Grenade!
Captain Price! My men have run into heavy resistance. Help me support them from the cliffs.
What about our informant? He's running out of time.
Help us!
Wa mnamon.
The further my men can get into this village, the closer we will be to securing your informant.
Contacts to the east.
Ndifuna ndobiwa. Ah, Scorpion.
Good. Now we are making progress. Follow me to the power station.
Look,
assault has already begun. With a little bit...
Enough sniping. Where is the informant?
Kusiku chakucha.
Where is he?
The house! The house of the northeast end of the village!
Well, that wasn't so hard, was it? Now go and sit in the corner.
So, Dad, we've got to reach that house before anything happens to the informant. Let's go.
Tarudzika pasi. Andifuni ndichada sniper, ndofana kuchinja sniper. Ha, ndatsemurwa. Ndatsemurwa. Ndula pistol because ndakapinda building neputi hombe puti yakanyakurebesa. Saka ndiuraiwa zvinyore. Ndula puti diki. Puti diki ndio inoita building. Ndaputikirwa nekwa. Ndantore foul.
Bloody hell, let's move. He may still be alive.
He's foul. Definitely foul kafuda nakabate.
Guys, go around to the back and cover power. So, get ready. Guys, do it. All right, I've cut the power. Go.
Victor!
These night vision goggles make it too easy.
Sasha!
Ndaona pistol panapa enda. Tasvika pana munhu wacho Nikolai. Stuviatite. My Russian.
It's him.
Nikolai, are you all right?
Mudakwe.
Can you walk?
Yes, I can still fight. Thank you for getting me out of here.
Big Bird, this is Bravo 6. We have the package. Meet us at LZ1. Over.
Bravo 6, this is Big Bird. We're on our way. Out.
Let's go.
Fala Breno governo. Vega netsiko nechikopo kopo daona chicho. Ah, chanditsika wena. Aya, ndida kuzama kutesta theory. Na testa chicho netinga ndakatsika. Ah, kutatangidza. Inga pakaipa.
Что вы хотите? Что вы?
It's him.
Nikolai, are you all right? Can you walk?
Yes, I can still fight. Thank you for getting me out of here.
Big Bird, this is Bravo 6. We have the package. Meet us at LZ1. Over.
Bravo 6, this is Big Bird. We're on our way. Out.
Let's go.
The Americans already attacked Al-Assad.
No, their invasion begins in a few hours. Why?
The Americans are making mistakes. They will never take Al-Assad alive.
They are making mistake. Ya pakaipa. Ya, video la last nopera panapa. Zakawana kucomment na kulike na kusubscribe na kushare kundiramira chigadzira mamwe video kuti ndiramire ticontinue kugadzira mamwe video pagame saka richenderana nemacomments nemalikes nevanhu vashare ndiyaramba chigadzira mamwe video mbereka pasina vanhu varaika andigadzira mamwe mavideo tobata panext round. Bye bye next round, guys.